Welcome, friends. Welcome to daily analysis of Bank Nifty. Okay, so it gapped down. So there was a negative sentiments. It gapped down. Again, it took a support at the gap. Okay, and it went up. So Friday I was in loss, to be frank and honest. See, whenever there is a sentiment, when the sentiment is negative, right? I usually call a short call, and I'm either you can call it as a weakness or something like that. So when the market reverses on a particular day, it will reverse, right? So that day I've seen that I usually when I short I put a stop loss, but I play with the stop loss, and then that day I was not expecting this much of rally. I was expecting a certain point it'll come, fill the gap and come down. It never went off, and I was away from my system for an hour, so it was a blunder, and we took it over. It was one side rally. Anyway, that's a minor thing which I need to sort it out myself. Stop loss means stop loss. So we are humans. We sometimes tends to miss as to what we do. Okay. So as you might have seen the weekly analysis video, if you have not seen it, I request you to go and see the weekly analysis. And this is the daily uptrend. See if if the market if the market is filling the gap, this was the gap, right? If it's filling the gap in the live market, then it's a healthy sign. So this was a healthy sign. So let's do what we will need to do. So this is gone. So this all kacharas has gone now. This is gone. These kacharas are gone. These are all gone. Right? There is still a gap here, and we will fill it by this rectangle as to this support we just taken. So this is the support it took. Okay, took this support and here it stopped. So we need to draw this box as well. We have to remove this and we need to draw this line here. And this is the resistance. And what we can do, one more thing is we can draw this line, right? This is a line, and as it's a upward line, we will make it as a support. This is our trend line, nothing more than that. So we have to see how the market behaves. Dow futures is positive on 200 points. This is whether it took the rally, but there is resistance here. Whether it will take all the break all the resistance or it will hit this and come down. We have to see on the market Monday. And Monday is the key day. As I said, Friday, you have to ignore the Friday noise. And from Monday, the real picture will be there. If the Israel, Iran, something would have happened, I don't know, then things would reverse, else it will go up. It will still hit the resistances, but it need to break the resistance at the bigger candle. Oil is still revolving around 87, so that's a good news. This 4.6 is a good news. It is the same. So oil should never go back to 90, and there should not be any news. That's the only thing which you need to watch out for. Ignore our futures, ignore everything. So, and that's the daily analysis for today. Thanks, friends. Take care. Have a nice weekend. I will see if I can create another video for this weekend of some either stocks analysis or some indicators or some mutual funds. Something I will create either today or tomorrow. Wait for that. So for that you need to switch on the notification because I don't know at what time I will do that. So switch on the notification and you will get that notification as soon as I upload the video. Thanks, fair. Take care. Bye.